Let's dive into this explainer and totally demystify Ethereum, especially if you're just starting out. Here at blockchainmetrics.com, we're all about making complex tech like this incredibly simple to grasp.
So imagine using your favorite apps without having to rely on any massive central company.
Well, that's exactly what Ethereum is, a blockchain platform for building decentralized, independent apps.
While Bitcoin is mainly digital money, Ethereum takes it a step further by actually running programs.
We call these programs smart contracts. They literally just execute the second their conditions are met.
Combine those smart contracts, and they power fully decentralized applications, or what we call dApps.
These dApps securely handle everything from complex finance and gaming, right down to unique digital collectibles.
And it's all run by thousands of computers globally, creating a totally transparent, censorship-resistant network.
To power all this, you use Ether, or ETH. It's the cryptocurrency that pays transaction fees.
Ultimately, Ethereum is a massive platform letting developers build the future of apps directly on the blockchain.
So, what innovative decentralized apps would you actually want built on this incredible global network?